This video is only for educational purposes. Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can create an account in this popular app and verify that account so that you can earn money easily by bonuses and offers. So watch the full video. At first, download the app from any browser, and after entering the app you can see there are two options, login and registration. You must click on registration option since you're creating a new account. And here you can see there are 4 options given. You should click on the first option to register easily. Later on, you can see a form like this. Here in the first 2 options, select your country and country's currency, and in the fourth option, which is the option for writing a promo code, use VIP promo code 5XBL in capital letters. By using this promo code, you can get 300% welcome bonus along with your birthday bonus and special bonuses. You can also get offers and cashbacks on your deposits and withdrawals every time. So you must use this promo code to experience VIP facilities in a verified account. I have already written the promo code on your screen, which is 5XBL. After writing the promo code properly, click on the empty box and then click on the register button. And now you have to confirm that you are not a robot. After verifying this, your registration will be successful. Now here you can see your user ID and password has been provided. Make sure to take a screenshot or save this on your notes for later. And then you have to click on the next button and your account will be created successfully. Now to bet or play games, you have to make a deposit, and this app will provide you different kinds of local payment methods. You may select one of these according to your convenience. And friends, you will get VIP discounts and offers by using this promo code written on the screen. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, share. Thank you for watching this video.